Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, Adiyaman, Valvivori, Nalli, and I. Pagan, he wrapped the blanket around the peacock, which was shivering from cold. Pari, he had his chariot to the Mullai climber to creep on. Nedumudikari, he provided strong horse for the pilgrim to travel on. Adiyaman, he gave forth a subway a gooseberry fruit that would give long life so that Tamil language would flourish. Valvivori, he gifted the towns to nomadic poet singer called Connors. Nalli, he gave gifted to those who shot him to such an extent that he did not anyone else for help. He built houses for all his citizens and gave away